Welcome everyone. Today, we're diving into Ansible and AWS. Ansible is your automation buddy, making IT tasks less of a headache. Well, that's your cloud playground, offering endless computing possibilities. Ansible and AWS together. It's like peanut butter and jelly, perfectly complementary. We'll explore how Ansible manages AWS instances, saving time and effort. I'm Amelia James, a technology expert with 13+ years of experience designing and delivering human resource management systems that actually work for people. I specialize in building scalable integrated HR platforms that streamline processes, enhance employee experience, and give leadership real-time, actionable insights. Ever tried calling someone without their number? That's what managing AWS instances without their IP feels like. We need those addresses to connect, configure, and automate tasks. Plus, when things go wrong, and let's face it, they do, knowing the IP helps troubleshoot like a pro. Before we start, let's make sure Ansible is properly set up. You wouldn't bake a cake without ingredients, right? So install Ansible, check for Python, configure inventory and Playbook files, and test the setup. Once that's done, we'll be ready to roll. AWS credentials are the keys to the kingdom. Without them, Ansible can't access your instances. Set up access keys, configure the credentials file, and use environment variables for extra security. Oh, and don't forget IAM permissions. You wouldn't want a locked door with no key. This module is like a detective, sniffing out AWS instance details. It filters results, extracts IPs, and integrates seamlessly with Playbooks. No more manually digging for information. Let Ansible do the heavy lifting. Instances have two faces, public and private IPs. Public IPs help you connect from the outside world, while private ones keep things secure internally. With Ansible, you can fetch both without breaking a sweat. Let's get hands-on. Writing a playbook is like crafting a recipe, define tasks, fetch IPs, and store them for use. Run it and voila! You have your instance details served on a silver platter. Debugging isn't scary. It's just about making sure things work. The Debug Module lets us display IPs clearly, enhance logs for troubleshooting, and validate retrieval steps. Think of it like turning on the headlights when driving at night. Alright folks, let's talk about filtering instance IPs. First, we define what we need, because we don't want to sift through hundreds of random IPs. Tags help us pinpoint the right instances, saving us from chaos. Inventory scripts do the heavy lifting, ensuring automation does its job. And before we go live, validating results is a must, because nothing is worse than realizing we just filtered out the wrong IPs. Dynamic inventory is a game changer. It keeps our data fresh, no more manual IP hunting. AWS EC2 inventory plugins work like magic, fetching all necessary details effortlessly. With the right scripts, we can extract IPs programmatically, because manual work is suo last decade. And syncing data in real time, well, that's the cherry on top. Hostvars in Ansible, your secret weapon to grab IPs efficiently. They allow us to fetch host-specific details without breaking a sweat. Using Ansible facts keeps things structured, ensuring a smooth ride. Following best practices avoids future headaches, because a little discipline now saves us from debugging nightmares later. And trust me, Hostvar mishaps are real, so avoid those common pitfalls. Let's make life easier by automating IP retrieval in Playbooks. Incorporating IP extraction means fewer manual steps and more efficiency. Scaling this process ensures it works smoothly across multiple instances. Optimized execution is key, because waiting forever for scripts to run is no fun. And as always, testing is non-negotiable, because skipping tests is like skydiving without checking your parachute. Troubleshooting, every techie's favorite activity, right? First, identify possible failures, because knowing what can go wrong is half the battle. Debugging inventory scripts requires patience and a detective mindset. Fixing incorrect host configurations can feel like playing whack-a-mole, but it's crucial for a stable environment. And data consistency. Let's just say mismatched IPs can turn a good day into a frustrating one. Managing AWS instances like a pro starts with tagging, because searching without tags is like finding a needle in a haystack. Security is non-negotiable, so make compliance your best friend. Proactive monitoring helps us catch issues before they cause havoc. And automating routine tasks, that's just smart work so we can focus on the fun stuff like optimizing performance. We made it. We covered filtering, dynamic inventory, host vars, automation, troubleshooting, and best practices. Automation is the key to efficiency, and proactive management ensures smooth operations. Keep exploring, keep improving. There's always more to learn. And remember, technology is great, but knowing how to use it wisely is what truly makes a difference. Please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel. For more information, contact us.